Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Adam Reza. Welcome back to myself, I guess. It's been a number of months and you might be wondering, why the heck did I unexpectedly stop making videos? Well, yeah, you all have been wondering. In my comment section, and even one person said, you know, he missed me. Well, there are three major reasons why I'm gone. Number one is school. Like every other people's reason, I don't really have to explain why school affects my upload frequency. And then number two is laziness. I always spend my spare time on doing other things, like going outside and spending time in real life, then editing videos. I just don't want to do it for about at least a month or two. I just don't want, what I'm trying to say is that I don't want to edit videos for about a month or 2 months. I want to take a break for like a month or two. But I ended up going for half a year. I ended up going for more than 6 months, half a year. And then number three, I ran out of ideas. During the whole 7 months, I also have been thinking to do new series in my channel, because I couldn't upload fully this rate all the time, because my channel would be irrelevant. And I also might not upload gaming videos anymore because they get too few views. Like, they get an average of under 50 views. But I stumbled across a video idea that might be common but good for my channel, and it is plane crash stories. Sorry about that. Basically, I cover a chronology and an aftermath of a plane crash by my voice and some major illustrations by videos. But I'm doing things a bit different. I'm not gonna do crashes like Garuda Indonesia Flight 152, TAM Flight 3054, or American Airlines Flight 191. Those are very popular and everyone knew about it. Instead, I'm doing the ones that are not known by too much by anyone, or unpopular crashes like Garuda Indonesia Flight 424 in 1961. Never heard of it, right? So yeah, some of the crashes might not have a photo or a video to prove the accident actually happened, but I will try to find sources relating to the crash for enough evidence. So what do you think about it? Should I upload these series? You know? Um, yeah, I'm waiting for you guys' opinions. And if you're asking what I'm and if you're asking what type of content I upload to my channel right now, I'll probably proceed to do a history of airlines or airports. Since my history of Polonia airport blew up, I want to remake that video with an Indonesian voice, probably next week or two. But don't worry, I'll always put English subtitles for foreign people. And then I might reconsider for a temporarily fleet history comeback. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, you know that bypassed the I already bypassed the retirement date of my fleet history, which is supposed to be on July 31st, 2021, but I just July 2021 was a very bad month for me, Yeah, July was a very bad month for me in this year because a lot of negativity happened. So yeah, I couldn't upload the video and I was so busy dealing with those things that I might not want to tell. It's too personal. So yeah, that's all for now. I'll probably upload a bit frequent from November 2021 to March 2022. Because after March 2022, I'm gonna have to deal with my final exam. Because, I'm about to enter high school. I'm in 9th grade right now. And, yeah, I mean, yes, 9th grade is not high school yet, at least in Indonesia. It's still junior high school. And, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.